Hey everyone, this is Annette with my scrapbooking corner. I'm here with a layout from the Christmas when we first moved into this house. I'm really tired. I worked outside and took an allergy pill. So sleepy, but the puppies woke me up at 3:30 and never really could go back to sleep. Good sleep. And then Pat woke me up at 5:30, so it's at 5:36 because he wanted food. And so I don't feel good. I worked outside pulling weeds, and I don't allergies, I don't think. But last night I started to feel worse and worse and worse, and now rock bottom. It's just probably stress. Because everything has just hit us all at once. My car AC went out, so we fixed it, and not knowing the AC was going to go out in the house, our dishwasher quit working, so we bought one because it was a really decent price for an LG. And then the AC went out in the house, so we had to fix that. And so my savings account is like down to nothing, and now my car quit again. Something to do with the wires that hook to my alternator is burnt. So I don't know. I'm stressing about all that. And maybe it's just taking its toll, I guess. Because my savings account was to pay for my taxes for this next year. It was like, oh, why everything all at once? It stresses me out. But anyway, so my background is basil cardstock. The pattern with those different shades of blues or greens is left over after cutting up the tree. And the tree, I cut that out of pancake clumps, bush season, yeah, Christmas cheer, and then the red polka dot is also from bush season. Oh my gosh. I just always got to bring up the I'm going to use that tag. So I'm going to take out, I'm looking through my stash of leftover hip kits. I'm going to try to use those wood veneer decorations and those small stickers in a minute. I'm going to use that penguin snow glue. Yeah, I get like freezing and hot all night long. I'm going to get some more coffee. I'll be right back. So I don't like the ornaments because they look like they're just gonna float in thin air. Oh my gosh, my neck hurts. So I will give up on those and no little pinches soon. If I take this blanket off. Oh, the puppies, they're getting so mad, and when they jump on you. Oh, hey, Patton. When they jump on you, they do it with such force that it actually leaves bruises. Spent shorts on it. My husband's like, what the? I said, that's the puppies. He goes, my God, it looks like I beat you. Like, you know? Hey, it's what you trying to do, big guy? Hmm? What you trying to do? Here, my lamb, my lap. Come here, Patton. Kiki. Come here, Kiki. Come on. So I decided to use all of those stickers up at the top. Hey, that's up. Yeah, I need to get you in for a teeth cleaning. He never snuggles on my lap anymore, do you? You used to do it all the time. Yeah, you used to snuggles all the time. The puppies are kind of a pain. Yeah. The puppies. Oh, there you go. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. So you're getting almost too big for my lap, too. Look at you. Yes, the most beautiful black cat I've ever had. Long hair. He's big. He's like my little Black Panther. Yeah, you're my Black Panther. Yeah, when I see you, that's what I see. Anyways, the ornaments. I'm trying to see here. I'm going to use die cuts, which are from Make-A-Wish, no, Wish Season. That journaling card is from a past hip kit. 24 is Puffy sticker from Make-A-Wish, which is a past kit. Was it past kit? Or is it this? Yeah, no, that's a past kit. November, December. I use some cardstock stickers, which are Hippie Club's Make-A-Wish. I am going to use some wood veneer, the wood veneer flare. There's flares, little ones, which are Hip Kit Club past kits. And ornaments are Make-A-Wish, November, December. I'm going to use some phrase stickers, which are Pretty Little Studio Christmas Cheer from a basket as well. And then that Christmas Magic, I am going to, that is from Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything, which is a basket. Because I have Christmas stuff left over from November, December 2020, and then 2021. And those are the phrase stickers that I'm going to use. And there's Patton. Speaking of Patton, there he is. So I'm just going to use those other ones, which I think those are Pink Fresh Studio, maybe. Those are from Basket. Those are old too. But I decided that I need something more small. Those were too big. I needed something that in that top left corner, since I just used the stickers and nothing else. And that is going to complete my kit. Or complete my kit, yeah, I'm so sleepy. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.